Heavy equipment, one of the most common types of construction equipment. Part 2. Number 5. Tower cranes. Tower cranes are a common sight in the construction of higher structures and skyscrapers. These are stationary cranes that are used to lift building materials, concrete blocks, frames, steel pipes, and so on, to various heights and elevations. Number 6. Dump trucks. A dump truck is one of the most frequent pieces of heavy gear used in any construction or excavation activity. These are used to carry large amounts of materials from one site to another, such as dirt, sand, and gravel. Number 7. Loaders. Loaders are named for the fact that they assist with the loading of items onto trucks and dumpers, among other things. Its bucket can transport a variety of commodities, including dirt, demolition debris, boulders, raw materials, and more. They may be tracked or wheeled, much like a bulldozer. While wheeled loaders are the most frequent, tracked loaders are employed in places where wheeled loaders can't go. Number 8. Compactors. Rollers are another name for compactors. These devices are used to compress material or the ground by pressing and compacting it. The sort of compactor you'll need will be determined by the nature of the job. If you work with rubbish, a landfill compactor is excellent. A soil compactor, on the other hand, is perfect for working with soil and dirt. These many types of heavy equipment, as well as certain other specialized equipment, are employed in most construction operations. Having easy access to these makes work easier and speeds up the project's completion. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.